Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust back gesture sensitivity on your right edge of the screen in your Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple. You can see here and just swipe up the screen for menu. After opening menu, just open settings application. You can see here, and after opening settings application, open display and touch. Then swipe up. Then you can see option of navigation mode. Click on that. Then you can see here now it is on the just navigation. Click on that icon, then you will get this page. Here you can simply adjust the right edge of the screen and also left edge of the screen. So simply drag this area to select the space, okay, low or high. You can see here that's the difference. Okay, so in this way you can simply adjust how much area is for back gesture. So if you have a big thumb, you can simply select more area, and if you have a narrow fingers, then you can use a small area. So whatever you like, you can set that. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.